In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Systemi.io for free. If you're just starting out in the world of digital marketing or simply want to expand your online presence without breaking the bank, this simple guide will walk you through every step you need to take. Let's dive right in and get you started. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Type Systeme.io into your search bar and head over to their website. Once you're there, you'll see options to either log in or sign up. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. For those who don't, signing up is quick and easy, offering you an efficient pathway to access their tools. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the Systeme.io dashboard. On the left side, locate the Funnels option in the menu. Click on it, and you'll notice a Create button. Select that to begin designing your new funnel, which will serve as the backbone of your landing page. Now, give your funnel a name that resonates with the purpose of your landing page, something catchy or related to your offering. You'll be prompted to choose a goal for your landing page, and for this exercise, select Build an Audience. This option aligns perfectly with those looking to capture leads or grow an email list. As you move forward, you'll be presented with a variety of templates. Take a moment to browse these, as finding one that fits your specific needs will save you time and customization later. Choose a template that suits both your style and the message you want to convey, and click on it to start editing. With your template chosen, click on the Edit Page button to open the landing page editor. This is where the fun begins. Replace any default images with your own by simply clicking on them and uploading files directly from your computer. Modify the text to reflect your message and adjust the form fields to collect the information you require from your visitors, like names and email addresses. Don't forget about the buttons. Customize their text and color to stand out and link them to a call to action, whether it's downloading a resource or joining a mailing list. Once your landing page looks perfect, you'll want to round off this process by creating a thank you page. This next step in the funnel is crucial for acknowledging your audience's engagement and setting the stage for further interactions or instructions. With everything in place, don't forget to save your work. Saving not only secures your progress, but allows you to review and refine your landing page as needed. Now, take a moment to admire your creation and think about the potential it holds for growing your audience or engaging with new leads. You've just created a professional landing page on Systeme.io at no cost, ready to share with the world.